All right, second grade, we are working on Math L131, divide by 5. So let's get to it. Spiral review says circle the dividends. So remember, those are the numbers that you are dividing up. So that's the biggest number, okay? Then circle the divisors. Those are the numbers that you're using to divide by, okay? And then the quotients are the answers, okay? Now down here it says write the answers. So you can count by tens until you get to 90 and count the number of fingers it takes. So count by tens up to 90. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 9. 90 divided by 10 is 9. 10 divided by 10, 10. One finger. Count by 10 so you get to 30. 10, 20, 30, 3. Count by 10 so you get to 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5. All right, the review, write the answers. Okay, so 0 minus 4 we can't do, so we're going to borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. 26. 0 minus 9 we cannot do, so we're going to borrow. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 0 minus 2 we cannot do. 0 minus 6 we cannot do. So we're going to borrow from here, and we're going to use that little box method where you box up all the way up to the very last 0. That last 0, you're going to put a 10. And if it's hard for you to see that, you can actually just write it above it. That's okay. And so you take 1 away from 60, which is 59. Okay, so 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then the last one, 0 minus 3. Borrow from our neighbor. 10 minus 3 is 7. 1 minus 0 is 1. Let's check our work. 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 plus 3 is 3. 8 plus 2 is 10. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. All right, now in the back of the dolphins, it says divide the jungle bugs into 5 groups and write the vertical division sentence. So that's the vertical. The horizontal would be the 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So we're taking the 5 bugs here. We're dividing them up into 5 groups. So there's a bug. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that shows we have 5 bugs divided up into 5 groups. And there's 1 in each group. Then here, let's count the bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to put 1 in each group until we get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there are 2 bugs in each group. So now we're going to make our vertical division sentence. So we started off with 10 bugs. We divided them up into 5 groups. There are 2 bugs in each group. Okay, on the back of the jellyfish, we have these numbers, okay, inside of these what I like to call homes or houses. And then we have this up here, which I like to call a roof. I don't know if that's the actual term, probably not, but I like to call it the roof, okay? Now, if we remember, division is the opposite of multiplication. So we start off with the biggest number. We're breaking it up into this number, and how many is in each group is this number, okay? So 5 divided by 5. So that means I have 5 things, and I'm going to divide them up into 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put 1 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do we put in each group? 1. Okay, so 5 divided by 5 is 1. So what you can do is you can count by 5s. Stop when you get to that number and count how many fingers it takes, okay? So I'm going to count by 5 till I get to 15. 5, 10, 15. How many fingers did that take? 3. So I'm going to put 3 on top. That means we had 15 dots. Divide them up into 5 groups, and there were 3 in each group. Let's count by 5 so we get to 10. 5, 10. How many fingers is that? 2. That means we had 10 dots, divide them up into 5 groups, and there were 2 in each group. Count by 5 till we get to 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So that's 10. There's 10 in each group. Let's count by 5 so we get to 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6 in each group. Count by 5 to get to 45. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. There's 9 in each group. And that is our lesson for today.